Hello traders. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll break down how Nifty behaved throughout the day, how it reacted near the important support and resistance zones we discussed this morning, and whether our prediction of a flat positive to positive market matched today's real price action. Let's get started. Morning recap. This morning, we predicted a flat positive to positive market based on Nifty overnight data, JOR 0.90, positive. JOR 0.51, positive. Asian markets, JOR 0.94, positive. Europe, flat positive. USD INR, slightly negative, supportive. Crude, minor drop, ignored. Overall, global cues were cleanly supportive of a stable to positive day. Key levels we marked in the morning. Before the market opened, we discussed the important zones. Resistance levels, R1:26, 263. R2, 26,321. R3, 26,379, and more higher levels. Support levels, S1:26, 105. S2, 26,020. S3, 25,930, and deeper support levels. We said the day will likely remain positive as long as Nifty stayed above S1. Today's actual Nifty movement. Let's talk about how Nifty actually moved. From the chart, Nifty opened stable. In the first half, the market showed sideways to slightly positive action. Later, we saw a dip, where Nifty pulled back towards the midday levels. After touching lower levels, it recovered strongly, forming a rising pattern into the later part of the session. The afternoon recovery clearly shows buying interest near support zones. The day fully matched our expectation of a flat positive type market, with controlled dips and healthy recoveries. Reaction near support or resistance. Today's price action respected our levels beautifully. Nifty did not break below major supports. This confirmed that buyers were active exactly where we expected support. Intraday dips were bought. This is classic behavior in a flat positive trending day. Afternoon recovery aligned perfectly with the bullish bias. Nifty slowly climbed back near our marked morning zone around 26,200, 26,250. So overall, market behavior respected both the prediction and levels. Did our prediction match the market? Yes, absolutely. We predicted flat positive to positive market, and that's exactly what happened. The market opened stable, showed mild dips, never turned bearish. Buyers supported the market. Price recovered to positive territory. This is a textbook flat positive day. What this means for traders. Today's movement gives traders some important lessons. 1. Using support, resistance works. The market respected S1, S2 zones beautifully. Though global cues matter, positive global markets kept the trend healthy throughout the day. Team, deep buying strategy. On flat positive days, avoiding shorts and focusing on dips is key. Char, trend continuation. Consistent higher lows in the afternoon showed market strength. Closing summary. To summarize, today's market behaved exactly as we expected. Our morning direction, flat positive to positive, was fully accurate. Nifty respected support levels, bounced from dips, and showed strength through the day. If you like such accurate pre-market and post-market breakdowns, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.